There are numerous ways to make money online, and the best approach depends on your skills, interests, and dedication. Here are several popular methods people use to generate income online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can find work in various fields, such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, translation, and more. Create a compelling profile highlighting your expertise, submit proposals for relevant projects, and deliver high-quality work to earn positive reviews and attract more clients. 2. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. Many websites connect tutors with students seeking help in various subjects, such as mathematics, language learning, music lessons, or test preparation. You can conduct one-on-one sessions through video calls, provide personalized guidance, and charge an hourly rate for your services. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs or networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. To succeed, create a website, blog, or social media presence to attract an audience interested in the products you promote. Produce high-quality content, incorporate affiliate links, and effectively drive traffic to earn commissions. 4. Creating and selling digital products. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider creating and selling digital products. Examples include e-books, online courses, stock photos, music, artwork, or templates. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, Shutterstock, or Etsy allow you to sell your creations. Focus on delivering valuable content, market your products effectively, and engage with your customers for feedback and improvement. 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to start an online store without needing to hold inventory. You market products from a supplier, and when a customer places an order, the supplier handles the shipping directly to the customer. You earn the difference between the supplier's price and the price at which you sell the product. Set up an e-commerce store, choose reliable suppliers, market your products, and provide excellent customer service to succeed in dropshipping. 6. Blogging and content creation. Blogging and content creation involve creating valuable and engaging content around a specific niche. You can start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize your content through various methods such as advertising, sponsorships, or selling products or services. Build an audience by consistently delivering high-quality content, optimizing your website for search engines, and engaging with your readers or viewers. 7. Online surveys and microtasks. Participating in online surveys or completing small tasks can be a way to earn some extra money. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Swagbucks, or Inbox Dollars offer rewards or cash for completing simple online tasks, taking surveys, watching videos, or playing games. While the pay may not be substantial, it can be an option for earning small amounts of money in your free time. 8. E-commerce. E-commerce involves setting up an online store to sell physical products. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce provide the tools to establish and manage your online business. Select a niche, source or create products, optimize your store for conversions, and market your products through various channels such as social media, email marketing, or influencer collaborations. 9. Social media management. With the rise of social media platforms, businesses and individuals often seek assistance in managing their social media presence. As a social media manager, you can help them grow their online following, create engaging content, respond to comments, and develop strategies to increase engagement and reach. Build a portfolio showcasing your skills, network with potential clients, and deliver results to establish yourself in this field. 10. Stock trading or cryptocurrency. Engaging in online trading and investment in stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies can be a way to make money online. However, it is important to note that trading involves risk, and success requires thorough research, knowledge of market trends, risk management, and disciplined decision-making. It's advisable to educate yourself about trading strategies, analysis techniques, and risk mitigation before investing real money. Remember, success in any online endeavor requires effort, persistence, and continuous learning. It's essential to thoroughly research and understand the chosen method before diving in. Subscribe for more videos like this.